You are probably using WhatsApp every day, but you're not using the features that will help you grow as a business owner. In today's video, I will show you 6 powerful WhatsApp business features most people ignore. But these features can literally save you time, make you look professional, and help you close more sales. Trust me, if you are new to using WhatsApp for your business, this particular video will help you change the way you see WhatsApp. Now, before you go ahead to discuss the WhatsApp features you need to start using as a business owner, I want to plug you in on something that is very, very important, something that will help you as a business person, as someone who is intentional with his or her business, as someone who is selling on WhatsApp. And you really know that you don't like stress, and you know that you're tired of inconsistent sales, you're tired of not making sales, you're tired of struggling to make sales, then this is something you need as a business owner. You need the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle. This is a bundle, a digital resource, like it's a digital resource that will literally move you from struggling to making persistent sales online. It will help you grow your business with clarity, intentionality, structure, confidence. Yes, it is a digital resource that has 10 plus tools. Okay, so now you use the tools ranging from trackers to ebooks where you get vital informations. Then the tracker, you use it to track your engagement and your sales. And then it has worksheets that literally help make your work easy. You will enjoy selling using the app, the green app. Okay, so if you're interested in checking out this particular digital resource, then do well to check the description box with the link to access it. Go to the description box to see the link or the first pinned comment of this video. Now, without wasting time, let us dive in to discuss the features that you're probably not using as an intentional business owner who is selling on WhatsApp. Now, the first one is your business profile. If you know that you are serious with selling online, you are serious with selling on WhatsApp, then why is your business profile blank? Why? You might think it is not necessary, but trust me, it is necessary. You might think there's no need. Please go now, right now, grab your phone and input those details. Now go to the WhatsApp business tools, go ahead to the settings, and then go to the profile, the business profile there. Fill in your business name, a clear description of what you offer, your address, your opening hours, your email, and a website link if you have one. Okay? This is like your digital business card. When customers check your profile, they should immediately know who you are and what you sell. The way you present your business will help build trust. You know, all these little things, you think they don't matter, but they do. So ensure that you go right now to fill up your business profile if you're yet to. Okay? Now let us move over to the second thing the second feature you need to use if, in case you're not using it as a business owner who is selling on WhatsApp. Your catalog. This is like your mini online shop that you have on WhatsApp, and you should use it. Okay? Ensure that you use this. Now, instead of sending 10 pictures, sending 11 pictures to someone that chats you up and tells you, oh, please can you send the pictures of the different jewelries that you're selling? Maybe it is earrings or perhaps rings, and the person is saying, okay, can you send me the picture so that I can choose? Instead of you doing that repeatedly every time someone demands for picture, how about you send them to the catalog? You tell them to go and check it out in the catalog, or you send the catalog link to them. Do you understand? It is way easier. You see, you're working with less stress, and it looks neat, professional, and saves time. The third feature is quick replies. Now, here with this feature, you can save common messages like greetings, price list, or thank you note so that you don't have to keep typing the same thing every time. So now when you go to your quick reply, you can easily input some words there. You understand? So a particular word, like maybe if someone asks you about the price of your product, that word will trigger the reply. The reply will just quickly, as the name implies, quick reply, it will quickly be sent to that person. even when you're not active, even when you're not there to tell the person to type it will be triggered. Your WhatsApp will be working for you. That is you working smart. Okay, as a business person, once the person asks the price of, oh, what's the price of this? That word price will trigger it. Okay, so okay, let's say you post something on Facebook, and then you be like, okay, once they send a word, you say the particular word to your WhatsApp line, you'll get that there. So you set your WhatsApp in such a way using that quick reply feature in such a way that you put that word, and then the reply that will be sent to them once they send that particular word to your WhatsApp. You understand? So when they send that word to your WhatsApp, it will be triggered in your in your WhatsApp. Then your WhatsApp will send it to that person, will send that reply, maybe a link to a product or something, a freebie that you promised to them. You get? So now you're working, your WhatsApp is literally working even when you're not there. For you to set it up, you simply have to go to the business tools on WhatsApp, then go and click on quick replies, and then to new reply, and then set it up. Okay? Now, if you don't want to chat with a lot of customers daily, this is a complete lifesaver. Maybe if you're running a promo and a discount, yeah, or you run an advert on Facebook and then there's traffic, people are coming to your WhatsApp with a lot of questions, with making payments and all, then ensure that you use this feature, quick reply, to save time. Okay? The next feature is your greeting and away messages. A greeting message automatically welcomes new customers when they message you for the first time, even if you are offline. Then an away message lets people know you will reply soon when you are not available. Example, hi, thanks for reaching out. We'll get back to you shortly is an example of an away message, okay, that shows people that you're not there. But just hold on, very soon I will come and attend to you. Or even you can even go ahead to add things like, currently we are not aware, but if you have any questions, you can drop it. Or if you want to check out our products in the meantime, then go to our catalog. You now put your catalog link there. From there, you now direct them to your catalog. So even though you are away, they can go ahead to be checking your products. Who knows? They can make a purchase, and then from there, they'll now go to catalog, then like something, and then ask you what's the price for this. Then your quick reply will trigger that reply if you set it up in quick reply. You get, from there they can even decide to make payments even when you are away, depending on how you set your WhatsApp using all these features, all these few features. Do you understand? This is an app that you literally have to use the free features to make money with less stress. Now, using these greeting and away features will give your brand, will give your business a professional feel, and then make them patient instead of frustrated. Now, moving over to the next WhatsApp feature you need to use as an intentional business owner who is using WhatsApp to sell online. What is that? It is labels. Now, labels help you tag customers based on where they are in your sales process. Like you have the new customers, you have the prospects, you have pending orders, you have paid, like you have people in their different sales process. The people you are still chatting with, they are people that you concluded with, you've even sent out their order, but then you want them to become repeat customers. You are not ready to just lose them because they bought from you. You want them to come back. You still need to tag them. You have prospects, people that you are still trying to, you know, cajole. You are still talking to them, hoping that they buy from you someday. You are still following up on them. Those are your prospects. You still have your leads. You still have pending orders. You still have people that are paid. You have to label all these things to ensure that you're working with structure, to ensure that you're working in an organized format. You're not just a an unstructured business owner. It's a business owner who is not structured, who is not organized rather. So you need this particular feature. You need to label them. And if you're the type of person that handles a lot of chats, you also need to organize them using this particular feature so that you can easily follow up and never forget who is who. So it's all about you color grading it, using different colors to identify who is who. You use the yellow for pending orders. You use red for people that have paid, but you need to follow up so that they become your repeat customers. You use green for new customers. It's just for you to find out the different categories of people and where they are in their sales process, and then label them, color, grade them, using that label feature, okay? So if you have been mixing up your charts, this particular feature will change your life. Try it. Without wasting time, let us move over to the next feature, and that is the channels feature. Yes, this might be strange to you, or you don't even know that you can use this particular feature as a business person who is selling on WhatsApp. You might feel, no, you don't need it, you just need WhatsApp groups, or you just need other features like catalogs and quick replies. But I am here. That is why this video is here. I am here as what I am to you. To tell you how this feature can help you as an intentional business owner who is using WhatsApp as a tool to sell. Now, channels are super powerful. This is a feature that is super powerful, and a lot of people still don't understand what it is for. So, let us break it down simply. WhatsApp channels are like a one-way broadcast platform right inside WhatsApp. Think of it like having your own Instagram channel or Telegram channel, but inside WhatsApp, where your audience already spends most of their time. So you can use channels to send updates, you can use it to send promotions, business tips, you can use it to send product launches, and everyone who follows your channel will get your message directly in their updates tab. Now, what makes this particular feature so powerful? Now, unlike your WhatsApp status that disappears after 24 hours, your posts on your channel stay visible. They don't disappear after 24 hours. So you can post photos, videos, links, text updates, even polls there. And here's the best part: followers can't reply or flood your DMs. So you can go ahead to share updates without stress, and there's no need to reply hundreds of messages. Now imagine using your channel to announce new arrivals, flash sales, daily motivations or customer wins, all in one organized place. Now, how do you create this channel? First of all, go to WhatsApp. Under the updates tab, tap the three dots there, and then select new channel. Then go ahead to add a profile picture, which you can use your logo or your face. Then write a short and clear description. Tell people what your channel is all about. Okay? Then start posting valuable content immediately. After that, you can share your channel link on your status, on your groups, on your social media so that people can follow up. Now, go ahead to post something useful every few days, not just sales content. Okay? Not just come and buy my shoe, not just things about your products or your business. Let your channel feel like a place where they'll get value. Okay? Don't just make it about sales, 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 sales. Come and buy, come and buy. Now, the thing is, people can even go ahead to share your channel post with others. That means free visibility and organic growth. So, if you haven't created your own channel yet, you are literally missing out on free brand exposure. And if you go online, you see different channels, you see that mostly it is all the celebrities that use it. But you, as a business owner, as a solution provider, can also make sure that you use this feature. Okay? It is not just for celebrities. Okay? You yourself, you're a celebrity, you can use it as a business owner and earn. It is one of the smartest new ways to grow your influence and to sell faster. Okay? So go ahead and use it. WhatsApp channels help you build your own loyal audience quietly and effectively without spending money on ads. Remember, the goal is for you to make WhatsApp work for you, not the other way around. So ensure that you are using all these features, okay? From the catalog to the quick replies to the greeting to the away messages to the labels to the channels. Ensure that you're using these features to ensure that you make your work easy as a business owner selling on WhatsApp. Okay? Now I'm talking to intentional business owners. If you are serious about moving from struggling to make sales on WhatsApp to making consistent sales on WhatsApp, then I want you to go and check out the digital resource that will help you achieve that. It has 10 plus tools that you can use to do this that will help you work with structure, that will help you grow your business with clarity, confidence, intentionality, structure. You sell out consistently on WhatsApp. It is a digital resource I highly recommend for you. So go and check it out. The first 20 comments or the description box. Okay? You see the link to access it. Then you can click on that link. So one thing I want to leave you with in this video is I want to tell you that your WhatsApp should work smart for you, not hard. Okay? So go ahead to like this video, subscribe to this channel and leave a comment. I would love to hear your key takeaways, especially if you have something you want to tell me, please tell me in the comment section. I'll be looking forward to hear from you. Till I see you in my next video. Take care.